All right, I'm Tyler, and today I'm going to show you how to play the board game Monopoly, and I'll share some tips on how to beat your family and friends. So I'll start with a question. Have you ever wanted to play Monopoly and be really good at it? I'm an avid Monopoly fan, and I've been playing this game for over a decade now. So I have a lot of experience. I'm going to show you how to play and then specifically how to beat people. So when we start the game, we get the game board out. Then we start by picking someone to be the banker, and the banker is going to control all the money of each player. So the banker is going to distribute $1,500, and they're going to distribute it as such. Two $500 bills, two $100 bills, two $50 bills, and then they're going to distribute six $20 bills, five tens, five fives, and five ones. Next, you're going to want to look for these cards that say Chance or Community Chest. So Community Chest is yellow, Chance is orange, and you're going to place them in their designated spot on the game board. The next step is to choose a piece or a character. So McKenna has chosen the car, and I have chosen the thimble. And then the next step is to get out the dice, and the first thing you're going to do with the dice is you're going to roll to see who goes first, and the highest number goes first. So I'm going to roll, and I got a 12. So the key to being good at this game is getting a 12 off the bat, because she got an 11. Um, so I'm going to go first. I'm going to roll. I got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I landed on Oriental Avenue, which is a blue property. So the first key to beating people in this game is buying as many properties as you can. So this property only costs 100, but you want to buy a property that has good value and is going to cost a lot for people when they land on it. You also want to try and buy at least one of each color so no one can get a monopoly. And also, if they need to get a monopoly, they're going to have to trade with you. So McKenna's up.
Okay, I rolled a 7. Okay,
Okay. So McKenna landed on chance, so she gets to pick up this card and read it.
to read it out.
Mhm.
Okay. Advance token to the nearest railroad and pay owner twice the rental to which he is otherwise entitled. If railroad is unowned, you may buy it from the bank.
All right, so she's going to advance to the next railroad, which is Pennsylvania Railroad. And since it's unowned, she can buy it from the bank, which it costs $200. And the thing with railroads is when you buy, you get all four of them, they actually go up and the rent goes up. I figured it out. All right, I'm up. So I got a 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's good for me. It's another light blue piece. So that means I'm already starting to build a monopoly. So I got Connecticut Avenue, which costs $120, which is still pretty cheap. But the more you buy, the better you're going to be later on in the game. Now McKenna's up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so McKenna landed on a red property, which is Indiana Avenue. So red properties are pretty good. The blue, the green, the yellow, and the red are the ones you want to get right off the bat. Because these properties,
It's $220.
whatever.
Give me my money.
What's the math on that? 320.
You can cut it there though.
Okay, 320. Wait, no, 280. All right, so I'm gonna give McKenna $280 if I can count right. There you go.
Thank you.
Maybe I shouldn't have been the banker, but whatever. Okay, now it's my turn to go. Um, so I got a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. which is good for me because it's another color. I need to start working on that. Tennessee Avenue, which is only 180. So I'm gonna pay 140, 160, 180. Perfect. And now that you've kind of gotten the sense of how this game works, um, I hope that you can take this knowledge and start to play your friends and your peers and your family, and you can take what I've told you and beat them at their own game. So, yeah.
All right.
Okay, now McKenna's going to ask you two questions.
All right. Is Monopoly your favorite game?
My favorite board game, yes. I don't know. I like beating people at this game. It's super competitive and it destroys families, but it's really fun.
How many times have you won Monopoly?
Um, I actually am not the greatest at Monopoly. I'm mostly sharing these tips out of what I've learned, what I've learned from losing, actually. I've learned a lot of this game by losing. So, yeah, yeah, I'm not that great, but all right. So that's the end of my speech, and I hope you learned something today.